What's something people don't know about rubber manufacturing? The role of ASTM standards is more significant than you might think. ASTM standards are like the unsung heroes of rubber manufacturing. These guidelines ensure that rubber products have the right strength, flexibility, and durability for their specific applications. From the tubes in your car to automotive bumpers to industrial seals, ASTM standards define the properties that make these products reliable and safe. So, how do these standards work? They provide detailed specifications for everything from raw material quality to testing methods. This consistency means engineers can trust that rubber components will perform as expected every single time. In short, ASTM standards are what keep rubber products up to the mark, delivering performance and safety. Next time you see a rubber product doing its job perfectly, remember it's all thanks to these crucial standards.